it's your girl Queen Sassy, and I'm back. Today I am doing a unboxing video. I got the new iPad. Well, I don't think it's new, but I got the iPad 10 Gen in the pink. Yeah, don't play. But anyways, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn y'all post notification bells on so y'all can be notified every time I upload a video. And without further ado, let's hop into the video. Alright, so this is the box that it came in. What's up, YouTube? It is your girl Queen Sassy, and I am back with another YouTube video. Yep. As you can tell by the title or the description, you already know what we getting into. So stay tuned for this unboxing video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notification bells on so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Y'all haven't did a YouTube video in so long, so I'm a little bit nervous. Like, not too much. Yeah. So anyways, this is the box that it came in. Yep, I already like cut the sides before this video. I ain't peeked or nothing, even though I wanted to. So I'm gonna open it from the side. Y'all, this is the Sims card. But this is the pink iPad. I feel like ain't nothing in here. I'm opening it. Okay. Oh shit. Hold on. Alright, so when I open the box, this is what you see. I'm going to pull the tab. I'm going to set this to the side. Okay, so this is what's inside the box, the instructions. The charger, and then the box piece. I'm surprised they motherfucking gave me a block piece because they stopped giving out block pieces. You know how them companies be, you know, stingy with their shit. But fuck all that. Let's get to the action, you hear me? So, I'm pulling the tab from the back. Oh, shit. Yeah, okay, look at it. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it on. Turn it on. And I'm gonna set this up, but I'm not gonna set it up on here. If y'all want a what's on my iPad, tune in. Oh, should I put my Sims card in? Yeah, let me put my Sims card in. If I can find it. Okay, I found it. You know, give me a little time to find a little Sims card port too. Damn. Okay, I found it. It's at the end, the bottom. Ooh. You know, gotta be a little ghetto, but you know, it's okay. Fake it till you make it.
He coming?
I pushed the earring in, you know, take that out. Pushed the earring in, took it out. Finna put the Sims card into it.
He coming? Come on. Let's go somewhere else. Let's go somewhere else. Let's go.
Hopefully I did this right. Y'all, this Sims card do not fit, or I'm just struggling. I'm having a hard time. And I just can't do it no more. Like,
It's gonna take the other part off of
what you talking about?
it.
Oh, I see. Wait, I ain't take the other part off. That's why it ain't fit. Slow ass. Okay, this shit better fit, cause no, it better be in right. Okay. Don't want it to get stuck, honey. Huh. All right, I put the Sims card in. There's still signal service though. Okay, so I'm finna set this up, but I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Stay tuned for what's on my iPad. Like, comment, subscribe, and all that. Peace. Oh, peace.
Hit that ass and thighs, that's where I'm thick at. Told his ex, she ain't getting that big back. I call babe, yo, where that stick at.